my name's Kelly Timecat, and I'm going to review When the Crawdads Sing, which is out in the cinemas at the moment. It stars Daisy Edgar Jones as Kaya, and she's been abandoned as a young girl in the small town of Barclay Cove after her mother left after suffering domestic violence, and the rest of the family leave one by one, and she's left in the house, still quite young, looking after the place. And it's a murder trial story, because one of the boyfriends who she connects with is found dead, and the town are suspicious that she's got something to do with it. So I thought it was very well shot, great cinematography, and there's lots of emotion, some great acting from the main stars. It has got a few twists and turns that come right towards the end, and I just thought that it's based on a best-selling novel that I haven't read, and I am actually tempted to see whether I find the book as enjoyable. Anyway, that's my thoughts. Quite a short review this time. Let me know what you think. Bye for now.